been a byproduct of yoga, not the primary. So when we started doing scientific research in 1924, there were many things which were for the first time proposed. For example, there is a practice of Udyana Bandh in yoga. The general hypothesis was कि अगर आप उद्यान बंद करते हैं, that is creating a negative pressure in your viscera, what will happen कि आपका digestion affect हो सकता है negatively, peristaltic movement कम हो सकता है. But when in 1924, these were the first publications Swamiji ने जब publish किया, said no, in fact Udyan Bandh increases the circulation in your functional organs, and in fact it helps to better your digestion, and which was published and taken. Or Swamiji, like a true scientist, was scientist critical work. So he used to write to J.C. Bose, he used to write to all the scientists at that point of time कि आप ये guide करते रहिए कि what I am doing and what process I am following, is it okay or you need some more improvement? And that is how we developed over a period of time. Maharishi Patanjali की मैंने बात की in today's context, we have yoga students here, and मुझे ये याद है कि BARC का स्मरण memory I am from right childhood. There used to be one scientist here, very eminent, Surendra Khurana, and he used to come to Kevaladham all the time. उसके बाद वो पूना जाते थे, and then of course every batch since decades I have seen Kevaladham as international conferences. हम sincerely अटेंड करते हैं सभी जो आपके मैं कहूँगा विद्यार्थी योग के प्रशिक्षक. And in this context, we have to understand कि जो मूल स्वरूप योग का है, which I have chosen as my topic, it is important to understand that the fundamental principles come from Maharishi Patanjali's yoga. ये as योग practitioners, योग साधक, क्योंकि आजकल वेस्टर्न इन्फ्लुएंस भी बहुत है योग का, तो मूल तत्व, the fundamental principles come from Patanjali's Yoga Sutra, which have been elaborated in other developing texts. जैसे हठ योग की बात की जी ने, तो what happened is around 300 BC to 500 BC महर्षि पतंजलि को माना जाता है, और उनके फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल्स पर हठ योग टेक्स्ट लाइक हठ प्रदीपिका, ग्रहण संहिता, वशिष्ठ संहिता डेवलप. इति अष्टांग. Now also to the theme of yoga for disease-free life. There was a book called Yoga Therapy which was published by Ministry of Family Welfare in 1950s, which Swami Kovalanji and Dr. S.L. Vinegar had written. 1950s में पहली publication for therapy, in which there were three important aspects. स्वामी जी ने तीन important principles दिए थे योग as therapy को. पहला, योग से when you are looking at therapeutic perspective, you should deal with the psychophysiological perspective of human being. पहला मानसिक और मनोवैज्ञानिक दृष्टिकोण. First principle. Now here again I go back to connect. Yama Niyama is not only a set of rules. Swamiji referred to it, and principle referred to it as psychophysiological practices. Are you with me, Sota?
Yes.
Are you more confused than you were before? So Yama Niyama, psychophysiological. And पहली चीज when we speak of योग in therapeutic dimension हमको समझना चाहिए समन्वयात्मक है. We are not attacking anything. We are not deductionist. We are trying to basically synthesize your well-being. So first, and इसमें psychophysiological well-being में I will just touch upon. There are few other perspectives of yoga, that is Patanjali Yoga Sutra. ये हम सबको पता होना चाहिए. I'll narrate to you very organizers से request है 5 मिनट पहले बता देंगे, शायद 10 मिनट है. So there is one concept of klesha, pancha klesha. All of us know?
2.4.
अविद्या अस्मिता राग द्वेष अभिनिवेश पंचक्लेश. I'll tell you a story. It's all interesting. You know, there is a very premier institution of defense, Center for Defense Management in Secunderabad. वहाँ पर the very eminent people from defense, brigadiers and all those are 150 are chosen and they go for training for 1. तो हमारे एक मित्र थे and he was like a rear admiral and he was the commandant. उन्होंने कहा सुबोध जी आप आइए, let us try to introduce the Eastern principles of psychology in our institution because हमारे यहाँ तो फ्रॉइड और यूंग के अलावा आगे जा गई नहीं है वेस्टर्न. पहुंच तो गए सिकंदराबाद, ऐसे ही ऑडिटोरियम में मुझे खड़ा कर दिया. 150 ब्रिगेडियर और सब खड़े हुए थे, तो मुझे बैठे हुए थे, तो मुझे अंदर से ऐसी भावना हो रही थी जैसे उनके हाथ में बंदूक हो और मुझे सामने था. And you are trying to talk to them about this subtle aspect, but then the scientific research helps, क्योंकि you have an objective perspective of the darshan, which has been experimented. So, in the psychophysiological aspect of yogic implementation in therapeutic perspective, पंचक्लेश का भी कंसेप्ट बहुत हमको ये एक, then I will move forward. पंचक्लेश बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है because they are referred to as afflictions. हम सब में हैं. We are born with these afflictions. अविद्या, अस्मिता, राग, द्वेष, अभिनिवेश. Effort through yoga is to tanu. Ready? Can you eliminate it?
No.
अगर कर दिया तो बुद्ध. अविद्या normally ignorance, but lack of awareness is a better understanding. कई चीजें हमारे आमने सामने रहती है लेकिन हम लोग उसका ज्ञान नहीं रखते, तो अविद्या is more of being able to be aware. मैं हमेशा एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि when you learn cycle, आप साइकिल जब सीख रहे हैं, आप हैंडल इतनी तेज पकड़ते हैं जोर से कहीं चला ना जाए, और आपके साथ अगर हाथी भी साइड से निकल रहा हो तो आपको हाथी को नहीं देखेंगे, पूरा ध्यान आपका. लेकिन जब आपने 6 महीने साइकिल चला ली और गाना गा रहे हो सुहाना सफर और ये मौसम हसी, तो आपका ध्यान यहाँ नहीं रहेगा, आपका ध्यान सब जगह. What has happened to your consciousness and awareness? When you are more synthesized, the awareness. Avidya. Asmita is too much of I-ness, isn't it? सुख में भी अपने ही ख्याल और दुख में भी अपना ही ख्याल. राग का मतलब?
Like dislike to.
Not in Marathi.
Attraction.
That's what I think. If these are very important. I mentioned that there is this first publications and it is online, so I would encourage. We are encouraging that a publication यहाँ से भी आए, but India में articles बहुत. First मैंने आपको narrate किए. This comes from here. And at Kaivalya, that is the principles which pranayam practitioners had better tolerance to CO2 and therefore they could sustain it for a longer period of time. So in B is when you actually do it in a principled way, EMG changes. These were recorded earlier, but this holds true. This is the experiment on the left you see about the Nauli and Madhya Nauli, which we repeated later about the negative. These you find, this is just since the conference. Also, fMRI studies have taken place. These are very, very important milestones when you study. तो खुशी की अनुभूति ज़्यादा होती है. तो अगर आपके मन में ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो 10 मिनट ब्रेक लीजिए.